Welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset several indicators of a BMW 1 Serie 135i. This is called an F40 if I remember correctly. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of these signs. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, when we turn the ignition on by pressing triple times to start, like this. Then we have an indicator popping up over here that the service is due, service required, and the brake fluid needs to be replaced. There's an indicator also for that. Wait for all the indicators to disappear. Then we're gonna use the thumbstick on the left, the BC, and the other button over here. Press and hold the BC button wait for this to turn off. Yes, now press and hold the BC button for about 20 seconds. Then the secret service menu appears on your screen over here. Give it like this. Then you can scroll through the menu by pressing and releasing this BC button. Find the service you'd like to reset. Let's say engine oil. Press and hold it for a few seconds. Release when it says perform reset. Press and hold it again. And you'll see that the reset is in progress and it turns green when it's reset. Go to the next one. Let's say brake fluid. We also done that. Press and hold the BC button. Wait for the menu to change over here. Perform reset. Release. Press and hold it again when it asks you to perform reset. And you'll see that this also will change to the green color. Like this. And yes. Scroll through the menu again and you'll see that the indicator won't show up when you restart your car. Triple press and you'll see that the next service is in 22,000 kilometers. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.